Now that's a joke, I say, that's a joke, son. Go, I say, go away, boy, you bother me. I made a funny, son, and y'all not laughing. That ball's about as sharp as a bowling ball. I keep pitching 'em and you keep missing 'em. That bar's as timid as a canary at a cat show. Fortunately, I always keep a spare in my locker. That woman's as cold as a nudist on an iceberg. Nice-mannered kid, just a little on the dumb side. That kid's about as sharp as a pound of wet liver. You're way off, I say, you're way off this time, son. Nice girl, but about as sharp as a sack of wet mice. Nice boy, but has got more nerve than a bum tooth. I say, boy, pay attention when I'm talking to you, boy. Now pay attention, boy, I'm cutting, but you ain't bleeding. Smart boy, got a mind like a steel trap, full of mice. He's so dumb he thinks a Mexican border pays rent. Bear, I say, bear's a coach dancer's midriff. Oh, that woman got a mouth like an outboard motor. That dog's like taxes, he just don't know when to stop. That bar's as strong as an ox and just about as smart. Now I wonder what old busybody widow hen is up to. Bar's got a mouth like a cannon, always shooting it off. This bar's more excited than a feather in a whirlwind. That dog, I say that dog's strictly GI. Gibbering idiot, that is. Don't, I say, don't bother me, dog. Can't you see I'm thinking? For, I say, fortunately, I always carry a spare set of feathers. That, I say, that bar's just like a tattoo gets under your skin. Kid don't quit talking so much, he'll get his tongue sunburned. That dog, I say, that dog is lower than a snake full of buckshot. That dog's as subtle as a hand grenade in a barrel of oatmeal. Boy, you cover about as much as a flapper's skirt in a high wind. Now pay attention to me, boy. I'm not just talking to hear my head roar. That's the trouble with that fool dog, always shooting his mouth off. That's what I've been telling you, boy. Now what, I say, now what's that skinny old hen doing up on that barn? That, I say, that dog's busier than a centipede at a toe-counting contest. Now cut that out, boy, I'll spank you where the feathers are thinnest. Now look, sister, is any of this filtering through that little blue bonnet of yours? I got this boy as fidgety as a bubble dancer with a slow leak. Stop, I say, stop it, boy. You're doing a lot of chopping, but no chips are flying. This is going to cause more confusion than a mouse in a burlesque show. You know there just might be a market for bottled duck. What's the big idea wrapping a lariat around my Adam's apple? Fortunately, I keep my feathers numbered for just such an emergency. What in the name of Jesse James do you suppose that is? Gal reminds me of a highway between Fort Worth and Dallas. No curves. Now what's the big idea bashing me in the bazooka that-a-way, boy? She reminds me of Paul Revere's Ride, a little light in the belfry. Now what's the big idea bashing me on the noggin with a rolling pin? Now who's responsible for this unwarranted attack on my person? This bar's making more noise than a couple of skeletons throwing a fit on a tin roof. The snow's so deep the farmers have to jack up the cows so they can milk 'em. What a day of tramping through the woods. Lump dum dip dum dip 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 boom boom. Now that, I say, that's no way for a kid to be wasting his time reading that long-haired gobbledygook. It's sure quiet round here. You could hear a caterpillar sneaking across a mouse bed in tennis shoes. As senior rooster round here, it's my duty and my pleasure to instruct junior roosters in the ancient art of roostery. Hey, boy, what's the idea of jacking that pot up under me? Jackpot? Jackpot. That's a joke, son. Did you get it?